Oh, really? I'm at this little garden of flowers, and you can actually see some bees, if you look carefully, doing some pollinating. There are quite a few in the center of the picture as I hold it. I will expand the picture, and maybe you can see them a bit better. Um, they only spend 2 or 3 seconds at each plant, and then they move to another one, and they're all moving. There are about 6 or 7 in this view. So there is pollination in action. It's not often I can say that. And there are some bees arriving from, who knows, perhaps another bush. Anyway, I shall go back to normal size video, just to give you an idea. The sun's gone in a bit. It's a beautiful place and a wonderful example of how nature works. Insects and plants cooperating to do good for both. My last video stopped rather suddenly, sorry about that, because in fact dramatically it ran out of room, and I was about to talk to you about the bench over there. It's got E2R on it. It's got E2R on it because it's celebrating the Queen, the late Queen's 50th Jubilee. That's the only reason. And it was donated or put together or whatever by some Amersham Council people. It's Peter. It's Sunday the 2nd of August. Beautiful day and a wonderful time to appreciate flowers and pollination. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.